cartridge and how to resolve common problems. Turn off the cover and take the cartridge directly from the holder. Make sure there is no ink leakage. If anything is wrong, contact us. Wait until you're ready to print and then tear the pull label. Be careful not to touch the chip terminals. Place the ink cartridges into the printer's cartridge slots. The black ink goes in the black slot. The colored ink goes in the colored slot. Keep the open cartridges in the printer, otherwise they will dry. Now you can try printing the test page, or just start printing. If after successful installation the printer doesn't work, or after printing a few times it stops working, what can we do? Check the ink display. Restart the printer. Take out the cartridge and use the cleaning wipe to clean the nozzle. Wait until it's dry, then put it back into place. When print striations occur, what can we do? Run the nozzle cleaning function 1 to 2 times. Or wipe the nozzle of the ink cartridge with an alcohol prep pad. And when it's dry, you can put it back. If there is any problem related with Coloretto, please contact us.